have our MS9025VL Kennedy Shawl. Your monogram will go here on the left panel. You will need solvay on the front and tearaway on the back of the corner panel. Slide the corner of the shawl, tearaway, and solvay onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame. Rotate your monogram 180 degrees. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our water-soluble topping is designed to enhance embroidery on the top side of fabrics. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. Robinson-Anton Super Bright Polyester is the market's leading thread. This is a top quality thread that provides a super bright shine at an outstanding value. It is an excellent running thread that is suitable for almost any application. When your sew is complete, remove the product from the frame and carefully tear away the backing and solvay. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.